This is the Huawei Nova 3i. What is up guys, I'm back again with another review, and today we're gonna review the Huawei Nova 3i. This phone has a 6.3-inch display, a fingerprint scanner, 4GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. We can get this phone in 3 different colors: the purple, the black and the white color. For my most favorite is the purple, of course, because look at how shiny it is. One thing I like about this phone is that the camera in this phone is very good. It has a 4 AI camera, which is new, and for a phone like this, which is cheap and affordable, it is a very good camera. So what does this 4 AI camera do? So it can actually detect what kind of pictures you're taking. It can help you set the background, the contrast, how it should look like, and it really helps you with a selfie too, because it's a selfie master. So we're going to compare 2 pictures. This is a normal picture taken by this phone, and this is night mode. So basically what it does, that it actually takes a lot of pictures and compress it into one image, which gives a better quality to the picture. These are some pictures I took using the phone.